Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Hank from the Dead West set. He was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with his jacket using Argonaught skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his shirt base coated with rust orange, which being an orange does take a couple of coats to get up to opacity. For his exposed skin, I went for elf Skintone as the first layer. His hair and pistol grip get a quick once over with German camo black brown. Adding a highlight to his jacket now, I grabbed Cork Brown and brought up the majority of the jacket, just leaving that darker colour in the recesses. To bring up the orange colour in his shirt, I added a highlight of orange flare just over the tops of all of the folds. His skin now gets a quick highlight of sunny skin tone to bring up all of those raised parts. Now onto his bottoms with Skeleton Legion. The reason I've left this base coat so long as well is just because I want to use this colour as a final highlight on the jacket, just for some of the sharper edges on there. All of the leather parts can now get done with leather brown. His axe handle gets a quick once over with Wasteland brown. You can do this with leather brown as well, but I felt it's too close to the hat and it would look a bit weird if they were the same color. The highlight for his bottoms gets done with Vampire Fang. I didn't want to leave the leather parts without a highlight, so we used Kronos flesh and just brought up some of the edges. The base, as with all of my current Zombicide minis, gets done with Plague Brown. For all of the metal parts, I went for gunmetal over all of them, which isn't that much, it's just the two weapons really. Now to wash them in it, I used Archaic Sepia wash over everything. This just gives it that dusty look that the artwork has. Finishing up, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Hank. I went a little bit over my target goal on this one, but only by a minute or two, so it's not really the end of the world. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.